Productivity tools are expensive, we all know that. But what if I tell you that your college email can give you great perks that you might not be aware of? Did you know your student email can give you hundreds of dollars worth of tools for free? So, I'll show you 3 amazing tools you can get for free at no cost as a student. First up, Microsoft Office 365. Normally, this costs around $70 a year, but with your student email, you get Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, and OneDrive storage completely free. All you have to do is sign into your Microsoft email and download Microsoft Office. More info on that in the upcoming videos. Second, Canva Pro. The free version is good, but the Pro upgrade, which is worth over $100 a year, is incredible. Actually, I'm using their generative AI voice to create this video, because I'm too introverted to be using my real voice, haha. Anyway, you'll have access to premium templates, brand kits, stock photos, and advanced design features, which, if you attempt to pay for yourself, is surely guaranteed to break the bank. So why pay for something if you can get it for free? And finally, Notion. With your student email, you get Notion's Personal Pro plan for free. That means unlimited file uploads, advanced collaboration, and powerful tools to organize your notes, projects, and even your career planning. It's like having your entire life in one workspace. Personally, I've been using Notion for years now, and for me, it's the tool you'd want to be using to keep everything organized. So, if you've got a student email, don't let it go to waste, because with it, you can get Microsoft Office, Canva Pro, and Notion Pro right now. And if you want more tips on learning new skills and landing your dream job on a budget, subscribe and stick around for more videos like this one.